Well, I'm excited to share this update with you because it's pretty cool. Interactive notebooks for everybody to kind of share and work through. I love the Excalidraw component that I have built out. It allows you to just drop in a bunch of different stuff. You can like draw here, as you can see. You can drop in pictures. You can resize. You can move stuff around, and you can kind of just create something a little bit different than just a standard notebook. You know what I mean? It's like a whiteboard and a notebook put together. But I wanted to extend this functionality and make it so that people can go back to their notebooks and so that they can share their notebooks. So I created this application which allows you to create a notebook. Then you get to add a thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail that I'm using. You can have collaborators or like other people that could work on it with you. Like you could set it so like other people can edit it or it's read only, and then you can make it public or you can make it private. So with that, I'm just going to add this, and as you can see, it was successfully created. So it gives you notifications on everything that happens. If I go to the Freeform, if I go to publications, we can see that the new notebook is right here, which is freaking cool. So I can click on it and then I could see my notebook. Yeah, and then you could edit it more, and then you could save it again, and it will reference and update it. So one of the things that I found with the Excalidraw component is that whenever it's rendering in this format, the images are being rendered as base 64. So I had to create like a transposer to like create this data URL from what is this PNG file. So it's saving it as a PNG file in my database, which you can kind of see over here. I have a folder system where I'm using Filer, and it's really great with Django. But if I go to my folders, so Freeform notebooks, and then whichever one I want, I can click on it, and I can see the images associated with that. So that's how it's saving the images and using them to create the notebook. It's like two applications working in partnership to make this happen. But yeah, it's not just limited to creating notebooks. If I go over here to publications once more, we can see the stats on these. So if I go to analytics, because this is the one I created, there's stats in reference to it. Every single day, this will update. This top one will be performance by month, going up to a year. And then I'm looking to add a rating system. So I guess a better representation of this would kind of be like this, where you can see that there's multiple days. You can see the downloads, how many people have bookmarked the notebook, how many views it has, and yeah, the rating. So like I said, this is pretty cool. If you want to like save a notebook that somebody's created, you can go over here and then you could just press this bookmark button. And as you can see there, it bookmarked, and then you can go to my notebooks and then you can see it here, and then you could search for anything. So if I do like, you know, I don't know, pictures or Max or whatever, it will filter. So there it is. And you can filter by popularity or rating. But yeah, overall, it's a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff like happening here to make this happen, but it's really cool to see this kind of all put together. And I'm excited to kind of start building out collections of really useful material, like focused on Plotly or focused on specific programming notes that I can create these notebooks around and then like distribute them to help people learn. So yeah, with that, this is very early beta, but check it out. Let me know if you have any bugs or anything that happens so that I can quickly fix it. But for what we have here, it's a working prototype. So thanks for listening.